Welcome back, Ed. Day 10 of the project. We're almost complete the construction part of it. Landscaping has been started now. Close to being done the roof. Deck boards are done. Ceiling's done. Just finishing touches and then paint.
Thank you guys for all you do for the community here.
No problem. Hopefully it turns out good and everybody's happy with it. Everybody gets to enjoy it going forward.
Good stuff.
As you can see, we got 2 more peaks and valleys to do on the roof. Then that's done. The deck boards, Justin's putting the last one on now. Skirting's all done. We started the landscape here in the center, so you can see where the garden's going to be now. See that? It's almost down to handrail and stairs.
When is that projected to be installed?
We are looking maybe Friday into next week because we want to wait till the concrete's done so the stairs come down onto the concrete. And that is a nice flat surface.
It's amazing from day 8 versus day 10 on this project.
Yeah, it's been a big change. The guys have been working hard. We've been plugging away, doing long days to try and get this get it back to the city so people can enjoy it. The quicker we're done, the quicker people can enjoy it this summer. As you can see over here, we got the roof cap. 2 sides over here. Got there on the hip, capped on the dormer, capped on the other hip. Other dormer's done. We're switching over to do the front 2 now, and then we'll be done.
Nice. So what would you say the trickiest part of this project is?
The roof.
Yeah.
It's definitely time consuming. It's we're going to be 5 days into it when it's said and done. So a very tedious, time consuming stuff. But it looks when it's completed.
Yeah, videos before and after show the difference, so you guys have been hard at work. Awesome work, gentlemen.
I'm Chuck.
Chuck, appreciate it. So how long have you been on this project for?
Well, since the start.
Yeah, I've seen you in the last few videos. Yeah, man. Good stuff.
Yep.
So any thoughts or comments about how you find this going? Were you mostly on the roof?
Yeah, mostly on the roof.
You're definitely a brave one there. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thanks.
All right, thank you guys. Keep it up.
Thanks, Ed.